In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a document in Google Meet. Sharing documents during your online meetings can be a game changer, making collaboration fluid and effortless. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can easily integrate this skill into your virtual meetings. First, you'll want to navigate to Google, which can be easily accessed through your web browser. Once you're on the Google homepage, you should notice a cluster of small gray dots forming a square in the upper right corner of your screen. This is the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on it to unfold the list of Google services available to you. From the list of services, look for the Google Meet icon. It's typically represented by a green video call logo. Clicking on this will take you directly to Google Meet, where you can begin setting up your meeting. Next, on the Google Meet landing page, locate the option to create a new meeting. You'll see a button that says New Meeting prominently displayed. Click on that. You'll be presented with several options regarding how you'd like to start your meeting. Here, you should choose Schedule in Google Calendar, which will help in setting a specific time and date for your meeting. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll see the familiar interface for setting up events. This is where you can add all the details your participants will need. There's an option here called Add a Google Drive attachment. This is crucial because it allows you to attach the document you want to share into the meeting invitation. Upon clicking Add a Google Drive attachment, a window showing your Google Drive will pop up. From here, navigate through your documents and find the one you intend to share with meeting attendees. With your document selected, the next step is straightforward. You'll want to click on the Insert button, which attaches the document to your meeting invitation. The final step in this process is to make sure all your edits and attachments are saved. Look for the Save button on the Google Calendar event window and click it. Congratulations, you've successfully attached the document to your meeting. This means all invitees will have access to it directly from the calendar invitation. By following these steps, you've made it incredibly convenient for everyone involved to access necessary documents before or during the meeting. It's an efficient way to ensure all necessary materials are at their fingertips, enhancing your team's productivity and engagement during each session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on making the most of your digital workspace.